In 1972, Congress amended Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 to prohibit racial discrimination by public employers. In Hazelwood School District versus United States, the court analyzed a Title VII claim against a public school district that only recently becomes subject to the law. Hazelwood School District was established in St. Louis County, Missouri, between 1949 and 1951. The district's teacher hiring policies weren't well defined, and school principals were given broad discretion in selecting teachers. In 1970, at least 5.7% of the teachers employed in the St. Louis area were black, but the percentage of black teachers in Hazelwood was much smaller. The district had only hired its first black teacher in 1969, and hiring had increased gradually each year. In the 1972 and 1973 school years, black teachers comprised roughly 3.7% of the district's new hires. Still, by 1973, only about 1.8% of the district's teaching staff were black. In 1973, the United States Attorney General sued the district in Missouri federal court, alleging employment discrimination in violation of Title VII. The government's evidence included the district's lack of defined hiring standards and the statistical disparities in the hiring of black teachers. After a trial, the court found for the district. Among other things, the court said that even though the district had relatively few black teachers, the district's percentage of black students was similarly small, measuring about 2%. The Eighth Circuit reversed and directed judgment for the government,